If you like gardening but you want to try and protect your manicure, these might be the right gloves for you. These are the Perfect 10 gloves with Nailguard Technology. These are from Watson Gloves. They've been around for 100 years up in Canada, but now they are finally available in the States. So these gloves, their sort of claim to fame is that it protects your nails. And it's actually true they do. So the palm and the fingers and the fingertips are made out of goat skin, and it is water resistant. So not only is it tough, it's actually, I wouldn't say it's thorn proof, but you don't get things going through it all that easily. But the tips are wrapped over like that, and there's some light padding inside the tips as well. So it's true. I found that my nails didn't get whacked as much on things as I'm digging in or scrabbling around in the gravel and dirt here in Tucson. And I really like that feature. The back, it's a breathable sort of mesh. There's a little bit of light padding across the knuckles here. They're pretty comfortable, actually. These ones may be a little large for me. I don't know. They come in different sizes. They do have a sizing chart, and this seemed to be the right size. Over time, it seems to have spread or I don't know, stretched a little bit. So, something to think about. It does have an elastic waist. It's not a waist, is it? An elastic wrist, and it has a pull tab here. It's not a very big pull tab, and I would have liked to have seen it be wider, so it's kind of hard to grab it, especially if you've got the other glove on. And it does have a Velcro hook and loop closure. Now the one thing I found with that is that the wrists are a little large, so I would, to put it like that, it's got a lot of opening. And personally, I would like it a little tighter, and I can't get it tight enough with this Velcro closure. The other thing I found with these is that when they got wet, so digging in muddy conditions or out in the rain, because I do garden in the rain, this purple color as well as the black came off. And I ended up with black fingers and hands, and it took 3 days of scrubbing to get it off. So it seems like it's not really color fast, so I wouldn't necessarily advise using these in wet conditions. Other than that, I do like them a lot. There's a little bit of extra protection here, so if you're shoveling or using any other hand tool, you've got that right there. There's no stitching right here between the fingers, which is a really nice feature because that's often where you get bunching of the leather and you get chafing and blisters. So they've thought of that, which is a really nice feature. There's some padding in the palm. Nice double stitching everywhere. These have, you can see I've used them quite a lot, and they've held up very well, including the fingertips. So overall, these are a really nice pair of gloves. They're comfortable, they hold up well, and they're really very good if you're looking to protect your fingernails. I was surprised at just how good these really are. So that's it for these gloves. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please, hey, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got a whole bunch more videos coming up. Especially if you're looking to protect those fingernails. Should I do that part again?